thanks for coming back to CBD to check out another one of my videos. Today I want to talk about the Taranis QX7 and updating the mini receiver, the XM Plus by FR Sky. So a few of you online I've noticed are getting an error that's saying that the receiver will not accept data. Unable to update firmware, receiver will not accept data, or smart port won't accept data. So I did also get that, and I got it about 4 or 5 times, and I moved my wires all around. I thought I was getting a good enough connection. I hope this helps, and it is a simple fix. The problem that I was having is I just didn't have a good enough connection with my wires and my receiver. So, and I had even moved my wires around, squeezed them together trying to get a good enough connection, and it just would not take. So I hope this helps you guys. Try making a better connection to your smart port and to your receiver. Everything has to be really tight. Make sure the wires are getting a good enough connection on the metal there, inside of the holes. Let's see if I can get a better shot there. And just make sure you've got a really good connection there. Give that a shot. Come back and comment. Let us know if that worked for you. It did work for me. I was about to give up and just install it in the quad and go fly. But I'm a little bit anal retentive, and I had to have the firmware update. So give it a shot. Come back. Let us know if it worked for you. I appreciate you guys stopping by as usual, and until I see you next time.